What if I told you that the secret to speak clearly and confidently when somebody puts you on the spot has nothing to do with being natural, quick-witted, or memorizing lines, or even feeling prepared? And it has everything to do with simple brain framework that anybody can use in seconds. Okay, picture this. Someone asks you a question that you were not really expecting. Your mind goes blank. Suddenly, you are scrambling, opening dozens of mental tabs, and then words are not coming through. You ramble. You sound unsure. You feel incompetent. And worst of all, the other person start losing interest. If that has ever happened to you, and let's be honest, it has happened to all of us, you know exactly how frustrating and even embarrassing it feels. But here's the truth. It's not the character flaw. It's not because that you are not smart enough. It's your brain doing exactly what it was wired to do under pressure. In this video, we will be covering step-by-step approach. Here's what. First, I'll show you why your brain hits the panic button and forces you to ramble, backed by the real neuroscience and psychology research. Then I'll give you a single easiest framework. It's called 1, 2, 3 that you can instantly use to organize your thoughts. I'll demonstrate it live with a random topic so you can see exactly how it works in the real time. After that, I'll walk you through a simple practice method so this becomes your automatic response instead of panic. And finally, I'll show you how mastering this one skill will completely change how confident, credible, and clear you sound in every conversation, meetings, or interviews. Sounds good? Let's dive in. So, here's exactly what happens inside your head when you are put on the spot. Neuroscience research tells us that the moment pressure hits, your amygdala, the brain's fear alarm, triggers a full stress response. Cortisol and the adrenaline flows into your system. The blood flow actually shifts away from your prefrontal cortex. That's the part which responds to clear, organized things, and towards your limbic system, which is all about survival. At the same time, cognitive load theory explains that your work memory is also limited under stress. This gets overloaded trying to juggle too many loose ideas at once. And the results? You start feeling the silence, repeating yourself or going just off the tangent. Exactly the rambling we all hate. Studies even show that higher stress lowers the linguistic complexities and makes you think simpler in unhelpful way. It's not that you suddenly got dumber. Your brain is just running into the ancient survival software. Silence is equal to danger. And keeping you talk don't really look weak. The good news is that you can override this software with a simple framework, the framework that changed everything for me, and the one that I use almost every day. It's called 123. It stands for one thing, two types, and three steps. That's it. Three simple structure. And the beauty is you will always start with the easiest one first. When the question comes to you, you instantly pick one of them and your brain has a clear path to follow instead of chaos. No more mental browser tabs that are opening up or you're just rambling. Let me show you with a ridiculously easy example. Suppose somebody asks you, tell me about, say, avocado. First, the one thing about avocado is that they're incredible on a keto diet. They are high on healthy fats and actually count as a protein source in a lot of meals. Type 2, there are two types of main way in which people can enjoy avocados. You can either smash it on a toast for breakfast or straightly just scoop a spoon and with some seasoning. And then third one is the three steps to simply prepare a perfect avocado dish. First, you cut it in half and remove the pit. Second, you scoop and smash on the flesh. And third, you season it with salt and pepper and squeeze a bit of lemon. See how your brain immediately knows where to go. No panic, no filler words, just clear and confident points. You can use this exact 1 2 3 framework for anything: travel, your job, a hobby, or a product, even a tough question in a meeting. And here's the best part: you don't need to be a genius or rehearse for hours. You just need to train your brain to default to 1 2 3 instead of panic. The way to do it is even simpler. Every single day this week, pick three random topics. This can be anything: your morning coffee, your favorite movie, or even weather. Give yourself 3 seconds. Choose one structure. Start with one thing, then two types, and three steps. And speak it louder. Record yourself on the phone if you want. You'll be shocked to see how quickly your brain starts anticipating the framework. Research on the structured communication tool backs this up. When people learn even one simple method like this, clarity and content quality moves and improves dramatically. Even in the high stakes situations like medical handoffs or presentation, your brain starts gathering evidences that you can handle the unexpected. And just like building any muscle, the more you use the 1 2 3 framework, the stronger the confidence response becomes. And here's what exactly I would want you to do it right now. Pause this video and pick any random topic. Anything that just pops in your head. Give yourself 3 seconds. Then choose one thing, two types, and three steps. Do that once today, and then again tomorrow. And then by the end of the week, I promise you, you will notice the difference. Conversations will flow easier. People will listen more intently, and you will feel quite confident when it comes to your mind being organized even under pressure. Because here's the real transformation: when you stop rambling, you don't just sound better, you will feel better about yourself. Your brain start trusting you in that moment, and that trust, that's the real unshakable confidence. If you go even deeper, we have got more frameworks to drill at the next level. But for this, let's start with 1 2 3 framework. Drop into the comments below what topic that you are going to practice for this framework. Maybe it can help others as well. And if you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.